This brief video will provide a demonstration of a new tool developed by Exigent and McCarthy Tetrault. The NDA tool is a quick and easy way for users to draft, sign, and execute simple agreements. The NDA tool can be a standalone product or is fully integratable within Exigent's contract management solution. For the purposes of today's demonstration, we will be signing in through the Chameleon contract management system. Once logged in, users will see this screen. From this screen, you will be able to create your NDAs or other agreements. Along the top, you have the ability to manage all of your NDAs. You can add users and provide restrictions and authorities to each user you add. You can manage all of your templates, find various reports, and configure the look of this screen. In the middle is where you will see all of the NDAs that you have created. You'll see I have two here. They're identified by their creation date. I've given them a reference number. And here you can see their status. Both are currently out for signature, but once completed, the status bar would change to indicate completed. You can share your NDA, go straight to the interview portion, make a copy, edit, download, or delete. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will go straight into creating our NDA simply by clicking the Create NDA button. From here, users have the ability to choose the template they would like to use. For our demonstration, we only have NDA templates. However, a user may use this for other templates, such as employment or service agreements. So we will go ahead, choose our NDAs, find the template we want to use, and we press Create. From here, you will give your document a name and a reference number. For our demonstration today, I will be acting as ABC Corp, who would like to have flyers printed and mailed to all of their customers. So we're developing an NDA with MP Marketing. Once you've given your document a name and reference, you simply just click on the Go to Interview button. We will then proceed to fill in all of the necessary information for our NDA. So we begin with the effective date. Let's assume we want it to start on January 30th. What will you be doing with the confidential information? We will be providing information to MP Marketing. We're providing the information for the purpose of receiving a service. That service will be purchased, and it is to print and mail flyers. We will be providing client lists, and let's assume that only employees and subcontractors will be seeing this information. We are then asked whether the information should be returned or destroyed. And we've provided additional information here for the user. So as you can see, it's typically sufficient to have all electronic and paper materials destroyed. Hard products can be returned. So for our purposes today, we will have the information destroyed once used. We click on Next, and now we're asked to enter in all of the corporate information. So I will go ahead and fill that in. So I have filled in all of the information. Jack Johnson will be signing on behalf of MP Marketing. I've given him his title. And now we're asked to include his email address. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will include my own address so I can show you what Jack Johnson's email will look like. Once completed, you press Next. So who will be signing on behalf of ABC Corp? And again, I will add my email information and press Next. So now our document is fully assembled. At this point, you can return home, return to the interview, download the document as a zip file, or send it straight to DocuSign. You also have the ability to download it before you do any of this so you can look at the document that you've just created. So we'll go ahead and do that. You can see here I am now able to review my NDA. It's made as of January 30th. The parties have been inserted. All of the recitals have been included, stating here MP Marketing desires to receive confidential information of ABC Corp. And all of the other relevant information has been automatically populated. For example, you can see here, the material will be promptly destroyed once used. And if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see that there's areas for both parties to sign. So once you've reviewed and are satisfied with your document, you can go ahead and send it straight to DocuSign. Once the document has been successfully sent to both myself and Jack Johnson, we will receive a confirmation, as you can see here. And you will also notice that the status has changed to out for signature. Jack Johnson will now receive this email in his inbox. As you can see, a document has been sent to him for review and signing. He simply has to click on Review Document, and he now has the ability to review and approve. If he's satisfied with the document, he quickly clicks on Sign, adopts the signature, and clicks Finish. I will receive the same email. We'll have the opportunity to review, see that Jack has already signed, and can now attach my signature. You will notice here, it now indicates that the document is completed, and you can go ahead and press Finish. Once both parties have signed, I will receive an email attaching the completed document and allowing me to review the document one last time. And just to be sure, we scroll to the bottom and see that both signatures have been properly attached. At this point, now that you are satisfied with the document and it has been fully executed, you can simply download the document from the email and save it to your own environment, or if you are already using the Exigent Chameleon contract management solution, it will be automatically downloaded into the system and automatically tagged. An example of what your dashboard could look like if you were using the Chameleon contract management system is presented here. As your NDAs and other agreements are executed, they will be loaded and shown in this very easy to digest dashboard, showing all contracts that were added today, 1 month ago, 2 months ago, indicating any that may be expiring, that are up for renewal, and any other milestones that you would like to see noted. You can see your contracts by types and by counterparties. And for those contracts that have yet to be executed, our dashboard makes it very easy to monitor and to review. And last, for a more detailed look at the contracts that you have developed, drafted, and sent for signature, you can find them all here. And you will note the status of our MP Marketing NDA is shown as completed. For a more in-depth look at all of the functionality of the Chameleon contract management system, please see some of our YouTube videos. If you would like more information or a more in-depth demonstration of the NDA Builder, please contact Exigent Group at the website listed. Thank you very much for watching.